Hey my loves, happy Valentine's Day and happy Black History Month. Get ready with me as I create a mashup of this creative Valentine's Day look. I was inspired by Beats by Deb along with a few other looks I found on Pinterest, and I wanted to blend all of that into an inspiration in one bold cohesive makeup moment. I've already glued down my brows off camera and I've applied my primer, the NYX Face Glue. Now I'm locking everything into place by setting my brows with a pressed powder. After pressing the powder in, I dust off the excess and I like to apply a reddish-orange color corrector to fully neutralize any brow shadow underneath. After color correcting, I go in back with a translucent setting powder and I really press it in, then I dust off that excess as well. And voila, gone, cancelled, terminated. So now I'm going in with this P. Louise base in a lighter pink shade because nobody does it like P. Louise. The consistency, the blendability, the pigment, it's all to die for. Blend, 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 blend. So now I'm going in with this darker fuchsia pink base from P. Louise and using it to contour just to add a little more dimension to this face. Just a little bit to this mug. Now I'm going in with the translucent setting powder, and trust me, if you don't look like a powdered donut at this stage, you didn't use enough. Once I dust off that excess powder, I apply a hot pink blush to build dimension and warmth. I'll sweep that shade across my forehead, cheekbones, and jawline. Then I like to use that same shade to softly contour the nose for cohesion. So while that cooks, I'm placing my avatar marks horizontally across the chin, forehead, and jawline. Now I'm grabbing my stencil and I'm adding in the dotted work. This is where it should start to come alive, y'all. So I'm placing these dots in between the lines and a little bit here and there randomly. Now I'm doing a quick eyeshadow look to tie everything in together. I'm starting with an eyeshadow primer from Louise. Then I'm going in with this shade called Shades from Blends Bunny. I'm putting that into my inner corner and slightly blending that upwards. And I'm taking the same shade and adding it into the outer V and slightly blending it out into a subtle wing. For the kisses on the face, I'm going in with this velvety matte lipstick from Fenty Beauty. Then I'm layering a clear gloss on top of it so that it transfers easily onto other areas of my face using this small glass piece. Because I want to take pictures later on, I'm preventing any transfers, especially for my hair, by locking in the kiss marks with the translucent setting powder, and I'm dusting off that little excess. Alright, my loves, this is the final makeup look. If you enjoyed watching this come together, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and know that I have so much more on the way coming, even though it might be a little late.